How to express 0.375 as a percentage? Okay, 0.375. You can rewrite it like 0.375 times 1. The value of this and this is similar. Instead of 1, you can write 100 over 100. 375, then 100 over 100. You can also rewrite this as 0.375 times 100 times 1 over 100. 1 over 100 means percent. 0.375 times 100, 1 over 100 means percent. Now look, 10 to the power 1 means 10, 10 to the power 2 means 100. So this 100 is a power of 10 number, right? Just count the number of 0. After 1 we have 2 0. So decimal point will move from left to right 2 places. 1 plus 2 plus. So we are getting 37 decimal 5. Okay, then we have percent. So 37.5% is our answer.